Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the reading preferences on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the featured option next to the library button at the bottom of the screen, and here click to the globe at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the preferences section click to the reading preferences option, and just select one and click to the white circle and tap to the submit button, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.